Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 11 and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now click on apps and select app lock. Over here click on turn on and you can create your pattern or tap on change password and pick one of the login methods by clicking on the chosen one. Now you have to enter it, repeat it and tap next. If you want to log in into your Mi account, click on the green button, but if you don't want to, you can click not now, wait 5 seconds and click not now again. If you want to lock all of these apps, just click use app lock, but I don't want to, so I have to tap on every one of them and click use app lock over here. Then if you want to add finger unlock feature, you have to go to settings and set it up, but I don't want to, so I will go with cancel and select apps that I want to lock. So I will go with YouTube, gallery and messages. When I go back and try to access one of my apps like gallery, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!